Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah. Today I'm here to share with you hairstyle. Today I bring for you cornrows. Cornrows is really nice and easy to braid. It's make you comfortable when you braid this hair. If you're looking something to braid, you just come on my channel, subscribe and like and share so that when I post any video, you just know you're going to get a notification about my channel. So guys, today I bring for you beautiful hair style, beautiful cornrows. It's really good, nice and simple. If you work anywhere you work, you can use this. Is for natural hair. You can style for natural hair, but if you can add some braids, but this one it's braids. You can add braids, but it's really simple and easy. Okay guys, anyone you can braid this hair. It's really easy, simple and hair. And I want to tell you to subscribe my channel. Please don't watch without subscribe. Click the bell, like, comment. Please don't forget to comment. You can tell anything. You just remember I'm here to share hairstyle, different hairstyle, ladies and kids. So when you feel like you don't know how to, what can I braid for next time, you come here on my channel. You're going to find beautiful hairstyle for braiding. So it's really nice. Look at this. It's really nice and beautiful. And when you braid this hair, it's really, you're gonna feel comfortable. Number one, you're gonna feel smart, comfortable. You have to, because it's really nice and easy. Okay guys, look at this. It's really simple, nice and beautiful. Okay guys, so remember I'm here to share different hairstyle for kids and for ladies who want to look good. Look at this. It's really easy, simple and nice. Okay guys, so I wish you to enjoy this video up to end so that you can find any style you should like to play it today or for another day. You can choose for today or another day. So you just know I'm always here to share with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment. Why I told you to subscribe my channel, I really want my channel to grow. So that's why I keep to tell you to subscribe my channel. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I hope you're going to like this hairstyle. And guys, I'm still post a lot of video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Okay, enjoy this video up to end. You just know I put the beautiful style for the end, so don't miss. Just watch this video up to end. Okay guys, enjoy.